Want to automate your Excel data entry like a pro? Imagine filling out a form, and with just one click, your data gets saved automatically to another sheet. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create a fully automated data entry form in Excel, step by step. Okay, let's dive right in. First, let's build the structure of our form. Start by listing your input fields like student ID, full name, class, group, gender, contact, date of birth, and GPA. These will be our form labels. Now, beside each label, leave a blank cell where we enter the data. For group and gender, we'll use dropdowns. Select the cell beside Group. Go to the Data tab and click Data Validation. Choose List from dropdown, and in the source box type Science, Commerce, and Arts. Click OK. Dropdown appears for Group. Do the same for gender. This time type male and female in the source box. Now your form is more controlled and error-proof. Let's make it user-friendly. Press Ctrl and select all the input cells. Pick a background color of your choice. Now, let's make our data visually pop using conditional formatting. Head over to the Home tab and click on Conditional Formatting. Choose New Rule. In the rule types, select Format Only Cells that contain. From the drop-down, choose No Blanks. This tells Excel to format only the cells that have data. Click on Format, and now the fun part. Pick a font color. While you're here, choose a clean, readable font style to enhance the look. Now go to the Fill and pick a bold fill color, like green, to highlight filled cells. Hit OK, then again OK to apply. Now test it out. Try entering some data into the cells. And see the formatting kicks in automatically. That means it's working perfectly. Want to add a check mark when data is entered? Next to each input cell, type this formula. To type the check mark, hold Alt and type 251. Press Enter. Now, copy and paste the formula down to apply it across your range. Next, let's make it pop with some conditional formatting. Set a rule so that when the check mark appears, the cell turns green. First, select all the cell. Go to the Conditional Formatting, then click on New Rule. Set a rule, Format Only Cells that contain. Choose No Blanks from dropdown. Go to Format and choose a font style. For even better contrast, change the font color to white. Finally, choose a bold fill color to complete the look. Click OK. For better look, make it bold and adjust the alignment. Your checklist is now both functional and visually striking. Now when you enter data into the cell, a checkmark automatically appears in the corresponding cell, like magic. Now let's make our worksheet even smarter by adding a Save Data button at the bottom. Head over to the Developer tab, click on Insert dropdown, and choose the button from the dropdown. Click anywhere at the bottom of your sheet to place the button. Next, right-click the button and select Format Control. Time to make it stand out. Pick a clean font style. Boost the font size. And click OK. There you have it, a clear, clickable Save button ready to automate your task. Change the button name to Save Data. Alright, now let's bring your form to life by connecting it to your output table. First, select all your field labels from the form and press Ctrl+C to copy. Next, scroll down and hit Ctrl+V to paste. You might notice some blank cells. But don't worry, we'll clean those up in seconds. First, select the entire pasted range. Press F5. Then click Special. Choose Blanks. And hit OK. All blanks are now selected. Right-click one of them. Select Delete. Then choose Shift Cells Up. Click OK. Just like that, clean and organized. Now, copy this refined list of labels and paste it beside your original form. You've just created a tidy output column, perfectly aligned and ready for values. For the final step, in each cell next to the new labels, type equals and simply click the matching input cell in your form. This links your data live. Any change in the form updates the output instantly. Apply the same things for other cells. Now set border and adjust the alignment. Next, let's set up your database. Start by copying the labels you've created. Now, open a new sheet. This will serve as your clean, organized database. Right-click on a blank cell where you want to paste. Choose Paste Special. Then select Values and check the Transpose option to flip the labels. Click OK, and just like that, your headers are perfectly arranged. Now, let's make them stand out. Customize the headers by adjusting the font style, size, and fill color. Rename the sheet to Data Sheet and Sheet 1 to Form. Format the date of birth as date and contact as number. This ensures your data stays clean and structured. Let's bring this student form to life with automation. First, enter the details for your first student. If you want to hide grid lines for better look, just go to the View tab and uncheck grid lines. Now it's time to automate the magic. Head to the View tab. Click on Record Macro and give it a clear name like Student Data Entry. Hit OK, and recording begins. Now switch to your database sheet. Insert a new row at the top to store the latest entry. Go to the Home tab, click on Insert, and choose Insert Sheet Rows. To keep the formatting clean, click on Insert Options and select Format Same as Below. Now, back to your form sheet. Select the form entries and copy. Again, go to the data sheet. Then right-click, choose Paste Special, and select Values and Transpose to paste it properly into your database. Easy, right? Now clean the form. Press Ctrl to multi-select the entry cells and hit Delete to clear them out. Once done, stop the recording. You've just built an automation macro. Final step, right-click your Submit button. Select Assign Macro and link it to your new macro. Now watch the magic. Fill out the form. Click the Save button, and boom, your data jumps right into your database. Let's test it out. And that's it. You've just built a fully automated data entry form in Excel without writing a single line of VBA. Perfect for teachers, office staff, or anyone who loves working smarter. Want more Excel tips like this? Hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.